Everyone thinks the best-selling electric blanket for camping is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, Homemate Heated Blanket Throw. First up, we have the Homemate Heated Blanket Electric Throw. Priced at $36.99, this throw caught my attention with its soft flannel and Sherpa material and its status as a bestseller. If you want a reliable source of warmth while camping, this is worth a serious look. The blanket features 10 heat levels and an auto-off feature after 8 hours, which is perfect for keeping you cozy without burning through battery life. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The heating wire, which is just 2.2 mm thick, hardly feels intrusive, providing a comfortable experience without the bulk. Plus, the ETL certification and overheating protection means you can trust that it won't get too hot and won't pose a fire risk. With a rating of 4.3 stars from over 3,800 reviews, it's clear that many users appreciate its warmth and safety. Now, some people complained about the cord length not being long enough for larger tents. Here's the thing though, if you're camping in a smaller space, this won't be a deal breaker. Just make sure to set up your blanket near an outlet. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a cozy blanket for solo camping trips or chilly nights by the fire. But skip this if you need something larger for family camping trips or if you prefer battery-operated options. Now, if the cord length bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Bedger Gentle Soft Heated Blanket. Next up is the Bedger Gentle Soft Heated Blanket Throw, retailing at $39.98. This blanket caught my eye with its stylish ribbed flannel design and impressive rating of 4.4 stars from over 4,300 reviews. If you want fast and even warmth while camping, this is worth a serious look. The preheat function means you can warm it up before snuggling in, which is a game changer on those cold nights. Here's why this matters. Its advanced heating wires distribute warmth evenly and quickly, which is essential when you're outdoors. Plus, the 8-hour auto shutoff prevents overheating, so you can rest easy without worrying about safety. It's also designed to consume very little energy, only about 100 W, making it efficient for your camping generator. Now, some users mentioned it's a bit bulky to pack. Here's the thing though, that extra thickness provides a lot of warmth, which is really valuable when camping in cold weather. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish and safe option for your camping trips, but skip this if you're looking for something ultralight and portable. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who need a bit more size. Product number 3, Homemate Electric Heated Blanket Twin Size. Now let's talk about the Homemate Electric Heated Blanket in twin size, priced at $41.99. I was intrigued by its larger dimensions and solid reviews, holding a 4.3-star rating from around 3,800 users. If you want a bigger blanket that still packs warmth, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you. This blanket has a larger heating area, distributing warmth evenly, which is particularly comforting during those chilly nights under the stars. The 8-hour auto shutoff feature adds peace of mind, so if you doze off, you won't have to worry about it running all night. Now, some complaints have come up about the weight, with users finding it a bit heavy to carry. I'll be real with you, while it's not the lightest, the trade-off is that you get a super warm blanket that's durable for camping. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable, warm blanket for longer camping trips. But skip this if you need something lightweight for backpacking. Alright, let's move on to something a bit different that could really change your camping experience. Product number 4, BOMOVA Heated Electric Blanket Queen Size. Next is the BOMOVA Heated Electric Blanket in Queen Size, available for $45.99. This one piqued my interest due to its dual control feature and high rating of 4.5 stars from about 2,000 reviews. If you want to share warmth with a partner while camping, this is worth a serious look. With 10 heating levels and dual-zone controls, each side can be adjusted to individual preferences, which is perfect for couples who can't agree on the perfect sleeping temperature. Here's why this matters. The 14.44-foot power cord gives you plenty of room to set up, Plus the auto shutoff after 8 hours means you can relax without worrying about safety. It's designed to be machine washable too, which is a huge bonus for those muddy camping trips. Now some users pointed out that the heating could take a bit longer to warm up compared to others. Here's the thing though, once it's warm, you can really feel the difference, and the extra space it provides makes it worth the slight wait. This is perfect for you if you love camping with a partner and want something spacious and comfortable. But skip this if you're a solo camper looking for something compact. Finally, let's finish strong with a budget option that still performs well. Product number 5, VENTIMI Electric Blanket Heated Throw. Last but not least, we have the VENTIMI Electric Blanket Heated Throw, priced at just $26.98. This one really caught my attention with its affordability and solid rating of 4.5 stars from over 4,600 reviews. If you want a budget-friendly option that still keeps you warm, this is worth a serious look. It has 5 heat levels, reaching up to 115 degrees F, and heats up in just 45 seconds, so you won't be waiting long to get cozy. Here's why this matters. The 8.5-foot cord provides flexibility for use in your tent or while lounging by the fire. Plus, the fabric is soft and machine washable, making it easy to care for after a muddy trip. Now, some people have mentioned it doesn't get warm enough for super cold nights. Here's the thing though, for milder temperatures or a quick warm-up, this blanket is perfect and won't break the bank. This is perfect for you if you're camping on a budget and want to stay warm without spending too much. But skip this if you frequently camp in extreme cold conditions where you need a higher heat output. That wraps up our list of the top electric blankets for camping. So to recap, the HomeMate Heated Blanket Throw offers solid warmth and safety, while the Bedger blanket is stylish and efficient. The larger HomeMate Electric Heated Blanket is perfect for longer trips, the BOMOVA blanket brings dual comfort for couples, and the VENTIMI Throw keeps you warm on a budget. Each has its strengths, so pick what fits your camping style best.